Howdy, fellow gardeners! Over the years, I've come to appreciate the resilience and beauty of perennials. These plants return year after year, bringing consistent joy and structure to our gardens. Today, I want to share with you 5 of my favorite perennials that have become staples in my garden. Let's dive in. Meet Scabiosa, Pink Mist, a charming perennial with soft pink blooms that resemble tiny pincushions. From late spring to early fall, it puts on a floral show while drawing in butterflies and bees. It thrives in full sun, loves well-drained soil, and needs moderate watering. Just let the soil dry out between drinks. Deadheading keeps those blooms coming. I plant mine near the veggie patch. Why? Because when pink mist blooms, the pollinators follow, and my garden thanks me for it. Nestled in the shade, Pulmonaria Twinkletoes brings spring to life with blooms of blue and pink. Even after flowering, its speckled leaves keep the garden lively. It loves rich, moist soil and dappled light, perfect under trees. I grow it beneath an old oak where it thrives quietly. After winter, its color is the first to greet me. Simple care, lasting charm. Meet Dryopteris, the wood fern, your garden's green solution for dry, shaded corners. Thriving where others fail, it brings life beneath trees and in dim spaces. It loves partial to full shade, moist but well-drained soil, and just a bit of early care. Once established, it's drought-tolerant and fuss-free. Just trim old fronds in spring. In my own yard, it flourishes beneath maples, turning bare ground into a lush, leafy haven, resilient, graceful, and low maintenance. Dryopteris is nature's quiet conqueror of tough spots. Meet Munstead Lavender, small in size, big on charm. With silvery foliage and fragrant purple blooms, it's perfect for borders and buzzing with pollinators. It thrives in full sun, loves well-drained soil, and once settled, barely needs water. A quick prune after flowering keeps it neat and blooming. In my garden, it lines the pathways, filling the air with scent and drawing bees in droves. I even use the dried blooms in sachets, their simple, fragrant joy. Meet Wargrave Pink, a hardy, no-fuss perennial that brings your garden to life with waves of salmon pink blooms from late spring through early fall. It thrives in full sun or partial shade, prefers well-drained soil, and needs only moderate watering. Give it a trim after flowering, and it'll reward you with even more color. I love how it effortlessly fills gaps between shrubs, long-lasting, low-maintenance, and simply essential.